this is an opportunity that our students are going to have that they can't get anywhere else.
Dr. Kathleen Tarp has spent the last 2 years trying to provide that opportunity for her students. Her hard work was rewarded this spring when the State Board of Education approved her proposal to add Spanish for health professions to the many degree programs at ISU. This program isn't only new to ISU, it's also the first of its kind in the country.
We have to do this right. When you're the first people to do something, if you mess it up, and it doesn't do what you want to do, then for the next 100 years, people will say, oh, we tried that and it didn't work.
This program has 3 core areas: language, culture, and health sciences. The goal is to help students interested in a career in healthcare to better understand their non-English speaking patients.
Not knowing how to communicate in English with their healthcare provider is like being a mute. They can't hear because they don't understand what they're hearing, and they can't speak because they can't speak the language and they can't communicate with their provider.
Sonia Martinez is the executive director of the Latino Economic and Development Center in Blackfoot, where she stresses the importance of effective communication between patients and care providers. ESL teachers at the center include medical terminology in their curriculum, and they applaud ISU's efforts to introduce this new program.
Is a respect to them that the medical field also meets them halfway and maybe be able to communicate with them in their own language, so that between both of them, one being the patient and one being the healthcare provider, that they can have that level of communication that's effective.
That effective communication is critical to saving lives, and Dr. Tarp hopes this program will give some healthcare providers the tools to do just that.
I want them to come out with that recognition of the importance of looking at another human being and recognizing their value and their humanity.
All right, so you can learn more about the program by contacting the Foreign Languages Department at Idaho State University.